Down here in my garage, we got big plans today. Big plans to do what? Big plans to modify this Adventure Force Tactical Accelerator blaster. We're going to do what? We're gonna do something epic. We're going to take a hopper that goes to the top of the blaster. We're gonna modify it to take way more balls than 25. Now, how many balls are we talking here? I don't know. We're going to see when we modify it. Because I'm gonna actually cut this up, connect some or glue some acrylic sheets to it and see what we end up in the end. But it's definitely gonna be more than 25, let's put it that way. So let's get to work. I'm gonna vlog all the steps and then we'll definitely test it out and shoot up some cups for you at the end. So let's get to it, dudes. We've cut two sides of this acrylic sheet to give us, these are gonna be our edges, extended edges up for this hopper. So the hopper is gonna be like that here, and we're gonna put these, we're gonna glue these two like that. All we need now is this side piece on each side so that we can glue it. So before I cut the sides for the acrylic, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this hopper. If I'm gonna just cut the top off of it, cut in the sides of it, and then put in the acrylic into it, the acrylic sheets, or just the top, like I said. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure this out. All right, so in the end, a decision has been made that I'm going to chop off the top of the hopper, and here goes nothing. If I mess this up, hopper's done. I might have to go buy another one of these blasters to actually get another hopper because I don't have a spare. So this is all or nothing right now. All right, that's what I want. It's not the cleanest cut, but we can definitely smooth this out. It'll look much better in a little bit. And yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. All right, dudes. Like I said, I got the hopper all cut up. Looks like it's a success. We got our acrylic sheets done up. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use these rivets. It's called a rivet tool, rivet gun, and we're gonna drill some holes right over there along the side. And we're gonna drill according holes through the hopper as well, and that's gonna hold these babies in place. It's actually better than gluing them. It's gonna be a lot more sturdier. So let's drill some holes and do that. First rivet is in. This is what I did. Got the rivets in there, and it's holding this side quite well. So now we got to put in the other side of this, as you can see, and then we're going to put in the other pieces and glue them all together, and we're going to have our little nice expanded hopper. This is coming along quite well. We got the two sides in for the hopper. They're actually in there pretty sturdy without any glue, and now all we got to do is put in these two smaller sides in there. So let's finish that off. And then we're almost done. I gotta create a door at the top, so that's kind of something I gotta figure out. And then we gotta paint it. We gotta paint this thing. We can't just leave it the way it is. All right, so what I'm gonna do is the bottom part where the hopper, where the balls go into the blaster, where the hopper is, the main original hopper right here. It's gonna be narrower than the top because I wanna be able to put more balls at the top. So why don't we go with something like that? That's as much as I want. Do this. Let's roughly measure it out. Maybe right there. All right, let's see if we can tape some of this up a little bit before we do any gluing, because this seems to be unraveling on us quickly. All right, my Vans, where do we stand with the build? Well, check it out. It's coming along quite nicely. Check that out, dudes. Big, huge hopper is in play. Now, I've taped it up for now, roughly, and I just gotta glue it. So let's do that. Let's glue it, and we're probably gonna have to leave it for a little bit of time to let it dry, let it settle in, because I don't wanna shatter this. But once we do glue it, we just gotta put in the piece right up here to kind of close it off at the top, make a little door or something, and it's gonna be ready to shoot soon. All right, let's do this. All right, dudes, so the glue is well-done 3s are in this big container. I gotta get it into this small container, so we gotta use a syringe to actually do it right. Just like that. Transfer it in there. Where is my top for this? There we go. Okay, let's see if we can get this right. Just want to tape it tighter right now so that this glue connects better. Moment of truth. We're finally gonna see how many balls this thing's going to be able to take. So while this glue is hardening and getting this thing solid, let's pop this onto our blaster. Oops, it's this way. My bad, it's this way. And show you how it's gonna look. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the size of this thing. So now, I want to show you what things I need to fix up here. So up top here, I'm gonna have to even this out. So cut that piece, even this piece out here. So even that out, even these 2 pieces out. And then at the top, we're gonna have to put a door. Let's see roughly how many this will take. Like I've showed you here, I have 100 right over here. And if it's gonna take more than that, and it looks like it will, we're gonna have to find some more balls. There's 25 here, so there'll be 125, and then I'm gonna have to get into my rival arsenal and bring up some of those yellow rival balls because I don't have any more Adventure Force ones. Did you guys check out my latest music video? Don't Shake My Coke? Check out this link right over here in the bottom as well. Maybe do it at the end of this video, but you gotta check out that song. It's pretty epic. There we go. Let's go get some more rival balls. Fill this up to the top. See how many it'll take. I think I'm able to do it here with one hand. There we go. Check that out, my bandits. This is coming along really good. This might be my greatest mod ever. Maybe not. I've done so many, and so many are so great and have so many millions of views, but I don't know. Maybe this one will top them all. We'll see. Let me go get some more round balls, stack this up, and then looks like the glue grabbed on, which is good, and we're gonna start painting this thing. All right, got another bag of 100 balls. See what happens here. Stack them up. This looks awesome, guys. I'm gonna paint these edges, make it look nice. I'm gonna paint it up to here as well, kind of make it all blend in nicely. And then, like I said, we just need to put in a little door up top, and we're good to go. We're gonna be ready to test this thing out and shoot up a massive amount of cups and just take them all down, because this thing is gonna be unstoppable. Yeah. All right, so for now, let's take this off. Let's dump all the balls in here. All right, let's take all the tape off so that we can have this ready for spray paint. All right, so the paint I found is this ultra flat camouflage paint, and I feel like it'll go well with these pieces. Like for example, this tactical rail. I think we're gonna go with that. It'll blend in well with this bottom part of the hopper. So what we'll do is I'm gonna tape off the edges right down here and up here, and we'll paint just the edges right there and down here. Let's do some spray painting. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Let's set this down, let it dry, and then we'll take it from there. All right, so this paint settles pretty well. It's actually warm outside, so let's peel this off, see how this looks. This is gonna look nice, dudes. right, dude, so the best guy to kind of ask about all this and get his reaction, because I don't know, I by myself I can't really tell. I'm excited, but I need someone else to see it. BG, come down here, man. Come here for a sec. Come here. Come here. Got baby gun down. I want to show you something, man. Come down here. Check this out.
What?
Think it's epic or what?
Yeah.
All right, that was a good reaction. If he says yes, that it's good, we're good to go. So, paint job's done. We just gotta do the cap up top. All right, guys, so to cap off the build, or to cap off the actual magazine here, I've cut up this little piece. We're going to put it right there. That's gonna be our little door where we can reload our balls. And I was able just to find these little kind of hinges, and we're gonna drill a few holes here, connect them to this and then to this piece, and on the other side we're just gonna make one hole for now with maybe a piece of wire or something just to kind of close it off for now, because I can't find any kind of a hinge or latch in the garage right now that it will suffice. I might do a little locking mechanism in the future, but for now, like I said, I don't have anything else, so let's just use that and finish it off. All right, so we got the little latch here, we got the little piece of wire, kind of manufactured a little bit of a lock device here, so that's how it's gonna look for now. That's definitely worth an upgrade, something that I can look into in the future, but for now, we got it going, guys. The final build is done. I've closed it off, now the balls can't fly out, and we're all good to go. Now, it took a little time to set something else up. What was that I set up? Just this massive wall of cups. That's right. It's all set up, good to go, right over there. We're about to unleash and unload on that wall a massive fury of balls, and we'll see if the wall can handle that or not. Click like right now for this epic build. So let's do this. Let's connect this up just like that. Lift it up into the air. We got the GoPro angle, as you can see there. It's good to go. I was thinking the worst part of this entire build is gonna be the cleanup. I'm gonna have to clean up all the balls on the floor, and I'm gonna have to clean up all these cups that I've set up out there. I do it for your entertainment, so let's do it, guys. Let's just shoot these guys up and see what they're made out of, huh? Yeah. Dudes, this was an epic build. One thing with it is you gotta shake it back and forth, left and right, to kind of get the balls going in there and into the little hole down below so that you can shoot it out. Everything else was smooth sailing. Those cups fell down like apples off a tree. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this build. If you do like it, click like, and I'll do more of them in the future. And don't forget, there's a whole bunch of vlogs coming your way on this channel. I'm actually doing another music video. It's gonna be epic. If you haven't seen the last one that I've done, it's called Don't Shake My Coke. Check it out over here. And I'll leave you guys with that. Oh, and by the way, Adventure Force, if you need an epic build, talk to this guy. Give me a shout. Later, dudes.